Today, I'm cooking a simple dish from Thailand, Kra Pow Gai, or stir-fry minced chicken with basil leaves. This is very quick and easy. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of minced chicken. This is homemade minced chicken from chicken breast with the skin for extra flavor. 55 grams of Thai Sweet Basil leaf, washed and clean. 5 pieces of red bird eye chili. 8 pieces of green bird eye chili. 8 cloves of garlic. Half tablespoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of thick soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the See More link. Crush the garlic one by one with the knife for it to better release its fragrance when frying. Leave it aside. Next, remove all the stems from the bird eye chili. Cut the green bird's eye chili into half. Leave the red bird's eye chili whole as they are spicier. Switch on the heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and all garlic. Stir fry for 1 minute. No need to cook it until crispy and brown. Add in half of the red and green bird eye chili. Continue to stir fry for 1 more minute or until the chilies release their aroma. Next, add in all the minced chicken. And light soy sauce. Stir fry for 1 minute. Break any lumps of the minced chicken. After 1 minute, the chicken has partially changed the color to gray. Add in the thick soy sauce. Continue to cook while breaking the lumps of the chicken meat for 1 minute. After 1 minute, all the minced chicken changed color to gray and is no longer red. Add in the balance of the bird eye chili, sugar, and the fish sauce. Pour the fish sauce on the side of the pan for a lovely fragrance. Stir and mix until the seasonings and chickens are well combined. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 2 more minutes to ensure chicken is well cooked. After 2 minutes, open the cover. Give it a stir. The chicken is now very well cooked and the color looks perfect too. Add in all the basil leaves. Stir for 30 seconds. The heat from the meat will soften the leaves and the ratio of minced chicken and basil leaf will be perfect. Alright, the basil leaf have softened. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious! There is a lovely fragrance of basil leaves and fish sauce. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is delicious. Switch off the heat and the simple stir-fried chicken with basil leaf is ready. This dish is best served with runny sunny side-up egg on the side. So I am going to fry the egg before servings. Heat the pan, add in a bit of cooking oil. Put in the eggs and wait for 1.5 minutes. The egg is cooked now. Remove it from the pan and leave it aside. Alright, we have the rice here. Put the sunny side up egg on the top of the rice. Let's eat! Oh wow, delicious, very tasty and so fragrant. not too spicy, and it really goes well with the egg and rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.